Lily and Max, best friends with curious hearts, set out on a sunny morning for a nature adventure. Standing at the edge of a lush forest, full of tall trees and colorful wildflowers. As they wander, they discover a mysterious old map half buried under leaves. Following the map's clues, they cross a babbling brook and find a hidden cave entrance. Lily and Max entering the cave, flashlight beams cutting through the darkness. Inside the cave, they find sparkling crystals and ancient drawings. Max builds a makeshift boat from leaves. Lily and Max sailing on the leaf boat. Emerging from the cave, they discover a breathtaking waterfall in a hidden clearing. Lily and Max standing in front of the majestic waterfall, water droplets shimmering like diamonds.
If you want to create cartoon animation videos for your YouTube channel, please watch this video carefully. I will show you how to do it step by step so that you can understand it better. Let's get started. Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Step 1. In this first step, we will generate a script from ChatGPT for our cartoon story. If you already have an account on ChatGPT, then log in it, otherwise, sign up and create a new account. When you will log into your account, you will come over to this page. Here in the search bar, we will type our prompt. I have also asked ChatGPT for image ideas for each scene in my prompt. He has prepared a complete story for us scene by scene. Step 2. In this second step we will generate cartoon images for which we will use Leonardo AI, which is absolutely free AI tool. In the description below, I have provided the Leonardo AI link. Once you click on it, you will see an interface like this. Here, on the left side, we will click on the AI image generation button. In the number of images, we will select 4. By scrolling down a bit, we will select the aspect ratio 16:9 for YouTube videos. Select the 3D animation style in the model. Now we'll go into ChatGPT and copy scene 1 and paste it in the search bar here. Click the Generate button to start the process. It will take 15 to 20 seconds. You can see that it has produced very beautiful AI images according to our prompt. We will download and save these images one by one. Under the same process, we will go back to ChatGPT and copy the scenes of the next story, and paste them here in the search bar to generate images. So that we can generate as many images as we want according to our story. Step 3. In this third step, we will enhance the quality of the images that we have obtained from Leonardo AI so that we can create HD quality video. For this purpose, we will go to this free AI website by clicking on the link given in the description. Click here, and select these images one by one to enhance the quality of these images by 2x. Click the Upscale button to start the processing. Click the Download button to save this image. Under this process we will improve the quality of all our images. Step 4. Now we will do the voiceover for our story, for which we will use Elevenlabs. This is a free AI tool where you can create an account and use it. Here we will paste our script that we generated from ChatGPT. You can choose the voice of your choice for your story here. Click Generate button. Click the Download button to save this voice. Step 5. Now we will convert these image into an animated video. For this purpose, we will go to the Pika Lab, which I have given the link in the description below. This tool is free and best for animation. Let's head over to the Pika Labs Discord server and join any of the Generate channels. Here type /create and input your prompt. Here we will paste the same prompts that ChatGPT created for us according to our images, or you can give your own prompts according to your requirement. Click here plus one more button and then click on Image button to upload your image. Hit the Enter button on your computer keyboard to start the process. In a short time, it will generate the animation for you. Let me play and show you. Click the Download button to save your animated video. This way you will animate all your images one by one. Step 6. In this sixth step, we will combine and edit all of these images and audio to make a story video. For that purpose, I will use online CapCut video editor because it's free and a very professional video editor, and above all we don't even need to install it on our laptop, because it is an online video editor. After clicking on the link below, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Click the Create New Video button to start video editing. Select the aspect ratio 16:9 for YouTube videos. Click the Project button and then click the Upload button. Here, we will select and upload all the videos and audio that we generated in the previous steps. Now we will drag all these clips one by one into the timeline. The audio will also be dragged into the timeline to synchronize with the clips. Now we'll select our clips one by one, and click the Speed button on the right, increasing the duration of the clips from 3 seconds to 5 seconds to match the audio. Now we will add a transition to our video, by clicking on the Transition button, and dragging the desired transition between the two clips.
Lily and Max, best friends with curious hearts, set out on a sunny morning for a nature adventure. Lily and Max with backpacks, standing at the...
Finally, we will add captions to our video, by clicking on the Captions button, and then clicking on Auto Captions button. Click the Generate button to start the processing. Finally, to download the video, first click on Share button. And then click on Download button. Select Video Resolution 1080p and then click on Export button. Click the Download button to download the video. According to this method you can convert your images into animation video, and that too in HD quality. Thank you for watching this free AI image to animation tutorial. See you in the next video.